Hello friends, I am Pradeep Yadav and today I am going to discuss a Python program to check whether given number is negative or positive. So, I think you are aware about concept of negative and positive. This is only single line code. If number is greater than 0 means that number will be positive. If that number is less than 0 means that will be negative. So, only we have to check, only you have to implement a if and else condition, then we can check whether given number is negative or positive. So, just I open Python environment. Now, here we have to open a script file and here we have to write the code. So, let me know program to check given number is negative or positive. Okay. So, this is program, actually I have mentioned comment. So, here firstly we have to take number, suppose I have taken this number. So, because we want user should input the number, that is why input here we can read enter the number and just close it. Okay. So, this is number. Now, we have to check. So, condition is that only you have to compare this number with 0. If this number is more than 0 or you can say greater than 0 means that is positive number. If that number is less than 0 means that number is negative number. Then what we have to check, if number m1 greater than 0. So, we have to print, what we have to print the given number is positive number. This is first case and second else, and just try to write the code from here. So, and just give a space and okay, else print the given number is negative number. Okay. So, this is program, just save it and just run. Okay. So, here save, so we have to give a name to file. So, here we can give name as like negative something, just I have given a name negative. Okay. And save it. Now, we have to run this program. So, here just click on run module. Okay. So, here you can see enter the number, suppose I have entered 045. So, the given number is positive number and okay. So, here you can see. Now, just run this again. And now, we have to give another number to check. So, here just give minus 45. So, this is negative number because 45 is greater than 0, that is why we are getting this, and this is less than 0, that is why we are getting negative number. So, this is a process whether to check that given number is negative or positive, and by using this concept you can find. So, thank you for watching this. Thank you.